we're moving from a world in which we're constrained by the database technology to build siloed walled garden systems to a world in which we can gather different groups and sectors and industries, cross industries along value chains like supply chains to build shared infrastructure as the foundational atomic unit of information technology. That's a profound idea, and people who get that, we're kind of rushing in to support some early attempts at these protocols. The idea that we can democratize the participation in these networks so that people can put some money into a utility token or a tokenized security. The idea that we can tokenize all of the elements of our society, things like identity, reputation, legally enforceable agreements, government certificates, money, other kinds of financial instruments, and squeeze the delays and frictions out of every transaction involving those elements, essentially creating a situation where we can compound these value creation events much more frequently. So tremendous growth drivers for the next generation of information technology in the world. When people see that, the general fear-greed dynamics of humans starts to kick in, and we tend to overshoot price and oscillate for a while until we settle at a reasonable price for any point in time.
Do you think we're going to look back on that moment and say that was a good thing for the overall space, or that it was a bad thing because it really took it mainstream, right?
Yeah.
Lots of retail investors pouring in.
It's a great thing for our space. It drew entrepreneurs and technologists, security auditors, and value and money into our ecosystem.